In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever wondered how to ensure your PDF documents are accessible to everyone, including individuals with disabilities, this is the guide for you. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers a comprehensive set of tools that can help you check and improve the accessibility of your documents. Whether you're preparing documents for the web or ensuring compliance with accessibility standards, following these steps will give you a great head start. First, let's open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Start by launching the application and then open the file you want to check for accessibility. This tool is really practical for both simple documents and those with complex elements like forms and images. Next, you'll need to locate the All Tools menu. Usually you can find this on the right hand side of the screen. Click on it and select Prepare for Accessibility. This function is your gateway to a host of accessibility features, setting you up for a straightforward checking process. Once you've clicked Prepare for Accessibility, look for the option that says Check for Accessibility. This is essentially where you begin the actual assessment of your document. It's designed to scan your document for any potential accessibility issues. Now, when you reach the Report Options section, don't overlook the checkbox that says Create Accessibility Report. This option will generate a detailed report for you, outlining any issues that the accessibility checker encounters. It could be invaluable for long-term documentation or fixing problems later. After you've ensured that option is checked, you'll want to decide where the report should be saved. Click Choose to pick your preferred destination folder. Being organized about where you save your reports can save you time and hassle in the future. There's also an option to attach the accessibility report directly to the document by checking the corresponding box. This choice is helpful if you're sharing the PDF with others who may also need quick access to the report. Moving on to the page range section, you'll have the option to select either all pages or specify a range of pages using pages from. Depending on the document's length and complexity, you might want to run the check on all pages to ensure thoroughness. Under Checking Options, notice that you can click on a category drop-down. Make sure you select each category to double-check that all relevant checkboxes are ticked. This ensures nothing gets overlooked during the checking process. Once everything's set, go ahead and click on Start Checking. This action will initiate the accessibility check, and Adobe will start evaluating the document based on your selections. Finally, observe the right panel. You'll see the report appear there, offering a detailed breakdown of any issues found. This report will guide you in making the necessary adjustments to enhance your document's accessibility. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through using the accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By following these steps, not only do you make your documents more accessible, but you also contribute to a more inclusive digital environment. Thanks for watching and happy checking.